third problem, the given figure depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as green. So, the center is green, next red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing the green score. So, green score diameter is given as 21 centimeter. So, green score radius will be green region radius is 21 divided by 2. So, 10.5 centimeters. And each of the other band is 10.5 centimeter wide. So, each one this width is given as 10.5 centimeters. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. So, we start with the innermost region. So, first region is green, which is nothing but we need area of circle. So, area of red region pi r square 22 by 7 into radius is 10.5. So, r square 10.5 into 10.5. 7 and 10.5 we can cancel for 1.5. So, now multiply 22 into 1.5 into 10.5. So, 346.5 centimeter square is the area of the green region. Okay, this is area of green. Now, let us come to area of red region. Now, what is the red region? It is nothing but area of the ring. So, your red region is area of ring. So, area of ring formula pi capital R square minus small r square. So, we can write that one as pi of capital R plus r into capital R minus r. So, capital R is big radius from center to this end length. So, small radius, how much you are having? This inner one radius 10.5. So, this is 10.5 and the width is 10.5. So, capital R is 10.5 plus 10.5, 21 centimeter. And how much is small r? Small r is radius of this green circle. So, radius of the green circle is 10.5. Should we substitute in the formula now? So, area of the red region is pi 22 by 7 into r plus r, capital R plus small r 31.5 into r minus r is the 21 minus 10.5, which is 10.5. So, we can cancel again here 10.5 only will cancel with 7, which is already we are having the value 1.5. Now, multiply 22 into 31.5 into 1.5. So, area of the red region 1039.5 centimeter square. Now, let us do the blue region area. So, area of blue ring. So, formula again pi of r plus r of r minus r. So, what is pi is 22 by 7 given. What is capital R? Capital R is this full big radius. So, which is this innermost radius is 10.5 plus this width is 10.5 plus this width is 10.5. So, 3 times of 10.5 will give capital R as 31.5. Coming to small radius. So, small radius is nothing but this distance. So, this is 10.5 and this width is 10.5. So, 10.5 plus 10.5, 21 centimeters. So, now the area of blue ring is pi 22 by 7 into capital R plus small r 31.5 plus 21, which is nothing but 52.5 into r minus r is always width 10.5, or you can subtract and see. Now, as usual we cancel this 7 and 10.5 as 1.5. So, you need to multiply now 22 into 52.5 into 1.5. 1732.5 centimeter square. Next, area of the black ring. So, in each ring area you have to find out what is capital R and what is small r. So, black ring is from center to this distance is your radius, bigger radius. So, 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5, which is 4 times of 10.5. So, which is nothing but 42. So, capital R is equals to, okay, I will write first formula, pi of R plus R of R minus R. So, capital R is, we got 42 centimeters and small r. So, small r is from here to this region, that is blue region end. So, we should add 3 times of 10.5, which is 31.5. So, now substituting in the formula, area of black ring region is pi 22 by 7 of r plus r, 42 plus 31.5. So, which is nothing but 73.5 into r minus r, as usual 10.5. So, you can check it also. So, 10.5 is its width always, r minus r is always width. Now, as usual 7 and 10.5 will cancel for 1.5, multiply 22 into 73.5 into 1.5, you will get area of black region 2425.5 centimeters square. Now, last one, the area of white ring. So, again area formula, pi of r plus r of r minus r. Now, let us find what is capital R and small r. So, capital R is the radius from center to the last circle. So, which is nothing but 10.5, 1 time, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, capital R is 10.5 5 times. So, how much it will be? 52.5 centimeters. Now, small r will be this length, which is the big R minus this width. If we will do, we will get the small r. So, 52.5 minus 10.5, which is 42 centimeters. Now, substituting in the formula, pi is 22 by 7 of r plus r, capital R plus small r. Capital R is 52.5 plus small r 42, which is nothing but 94.5 into r minus r is 10.5. So, as usual 7 and 10.5 will cancel for 1.5 times. So, we need 22 times 94.5 into 1.5, 3118.5 centimeters square area.